Hello everybody, today we're going to look at the phrasal verb to get around to. You can say to get around to or to get round to without the A, okay? So the meaning of this is to do something that you have intended to do for a long time, okay? So this means that you are putting off or postponing the task until later, okay? So you know when you are lazy and you don't want to do something, then you put off the task until later, okay? And to get round to is when you complete the task. Let's look at some examples. Okay, so John, have you written the report yet? Peter, I'm sorry, but I haven't gotten around to it yet. Okay, so in this case, Peter had other important tasks that he needed to do first. Okay, and he hasn't gotten around to it, to the report. We want to go see the museum, but we haven't gotten around to it yet. Okay, in this example, they probably went to the park and the cinema and other things, but there was no time to go to the museum. Okay, and we often use this when we procrastinate. Okay, to procrastinate means to do something later. Okay, when you say, oh, I'll do it later, I don't want to do it now. Okay, so another example, sorry mom, I didn't get round to cleaning my bedroom. And mom says, but you've been watching TV all day.